Alright, quick impromptu video. I wasn't planning on doing one today, but I had something happen while I was doing a little work around the old bundle guard, and I thought you guys might like to see how to handle the situation. So here's what we got. You can see there's a big cord wrapped up in my bush hog here. We were doing some bush hogging and there was a cord hitting the ground we couldn't see, and it got all wrapped up in it. So I'll show you how to get this up and taken care of. Leave it on the tractor. Get your tractor stable and secure to hold the front. Use a cherry picker on the back. I put a clevis around this frame for the tail wheel, so I got a nice solid point to pick that up. And we're going to use some good clippers. These are a heavy duty set of flush cutters to cut it out. So let's get a spot to set this camera down where you guys can see what I'm working on. That'll stay, and we'll get it cut apart. Rather be right there. Right here. Stay in there. Like that. There we go. Now it's in there. Let's get this cut out. You can see how quick that is. Just a simple pair of good heavy duty flush cutters there. Got it out. No issues. So we'll put it back down and be done.